Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're revisiting the incredible survival story of Harrison Odjegba Okene, the Nigerian ship's cook who was rescued after spending nearly 3 days trapped underwater in a sunken tugboat. Where is he now? And how has his life changed? Let's find out. In May 2013, Okene was aboard the Jascon 4 tug while it was assisting an oil tanker off the coast of Nigeria. A freak accident caused the vessel to capsize and sink to the bottom of the Atlantic, leaving Okene trapped inside. He survived by holding onto a small air pocket in a cabin, breathing in near-freezing dark waters as oxygen slowly ran out. After nearly 60 hours, divers recovered him alive, a near-miracle rescue. He was placed in a decompression chamber for several days to recover safely, having absorbed massive amounts of nitrogen while underwater. Following his rescue, Okene suffered from nightmares, guilt, and trauma. He stated publicly that he would never return to sea, believing what happened was a divine act of survival. After his return to land, he was deeply shaken but stayed grounded by his faith and family. He later separated from his wife and admitted that after the ordeal, he went through a period of depression and loneliness, feelings that surprised many, considering how fortunate he was to survive. Where is Harrison Okene now? As of now, Harrison Okene is working as a commercial diver. He now installs and repairs equipment for oil and gas operations, diving up to around 50 meters. He has a partner and 3 children, and he says that his terrifying experience changed his outlook on life, giving him a sense of purpose, faith, and resilience. Rather than living in fear of the sea, he's chosen to embrace it again, facing his old trauma head-on. Harrison Okene's story is one of the most extraordinary survival tales ever recorded, from dark depths to redemption, fear to strength. Today, he's not just a survivor, he's a man who reclaimed his life and his calling, proving that sometimes miracles lead to a new mission. Thanks for watching Vim Survivors. If you found this episode inspiring, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Where Are They Now stories.